Hello everyone. In the past 2 years, with the continuous progress, various smartphone manufacturers have targeted the folding screen smartphone market. They include the Chinese manufacturers such as Xiaomi, OPPO, and Vivo. According to the latest news from a well-known Weibo blogger, the first new commercial folding screens of the 3 manufacturers are all on schedule. They will be officially unveiled this year. At present, there is no news about OPPO and Vivo folding screen smartphones on the internet, and unofficial information has been released. However, various signs indicate that Xiaomi's first folding screen smartphone will be unveiled soon. Some users have exposed spy photos of this phone's engineering machine. The Xiaomi folding screen smartphone will adopt an internal folding solution similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. It is also a more common practice in the industry. The current design of Vivo's first folding screen smartphone is very mature. So, the similar approach will also be adopted. In addition, the spy photos also show that the Xiaomi's first folding screen smartphone runs the MIUI 12. According to Xiaomi's previous product planning, the technological exploration of the screen will be launched by the Mix series. Just like the first generation Mix led the development of full screens, the Mix Alpha also explored the unique surround screen design. So, this folding screen technology applications may also be led by the series. In addition, it is understood that the Mix series has not launched new products for more than 2 years. Previously, all parties had revealed that the Mi Mix 4 will be unveiled this year, and it is likely to be officially a new generation of screen pathfinder. So, it is the debut of the first Xiaomi folding screen technology. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video to not miss any news.